given to me on a dark night in 1976 was December 19th, a day that would change my life forever. It was the day I died.
You were dead for 19 minutes.
When I came back, I did not come back the same.
How do you feel?
I did not come back alone. What seemed like days passed in 19 minutes. And over the course of the next few years, I began to remember the greatest mysteries revealed to me.
Anything is possible.
I discovered a secret beyond any secret. The sum of all secrets.
My eyes have seen the sun.
You have seen nothing.
It's out there, and I will find it.
We will find nothing. It's like Solomon's coal.
It was the key to Solomon's wisdom. The secrets of the Knights Templar and of the Freemasons.
You must be stopped.
Courage, my dear boy. Be strong. Be brave. Like the great gods here. May he guide you on your journey.
I challenged myself to find out everything I could. I found great teachers who knew this and began to seek them out.
اسأل اؤمن اسمع ask believe and receive.
I traveled the world and the meta secret was revealed.